Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tuning in today, you're probably trying to figure out the best platform for your crypto adventures in 2025. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison: Coinbase versus Robinhood. Both are powerhouse apps for buying, selling, and managing cryptocurrencies, but which one is the right fit for you? Let's break it down step by step. First off, let's talk about what each platform offers. Coinbase is like the veteran in the crypto world. It's been around for years and has evolved into a full-fledged exchange by 2025. You'll find a massive selection of cryptocurrencies. Think over 200 options, including some of the newer altcoins. One of its biggest perks is the advanced trading tools, perfect if you're a pro trader looking for charts, analytics, and even staking rewards. However, this comes at a cost. Coinbase's fees can be higher, especially for smaller trades, and they might charge premium prices for certain services. On the other hand, Robinhood has made a name for itself by keeping things simple and accessible. By 2025, it's expanded its crypto offerings significantly, focusing on user-friendly features that appeal to beginners. You get commission-free trading on many popular coins, which is a huge win for cost-conscious investors. Plus, Robinhood integrates seamlessly with stocks and other investments, making it ideal if you want a one-stop shop. But here's the catch. It has a smaller selection of cryptos compared to Coinbase, and some users worry about its security history, though Robinhood has ramped up protections by now. When it comes to security, both platforms have stepped up their game in 2025. Coinbase boasts top-tier insurance for digital assets and two-factor authentication, while Robinhood offers similar safeguards plus biometric logins. Ease of use is another factor. Robinhood's app is incredibly intuitive for newcomers, whereas Coinbase might feel overwhelming at first but rewarding for experienced users. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner or want low fees and simplicity, go with Robinhood. But if you're all about variety and advanced features, Coinbase is your best bet. Ultimately, it depends on your trading style and goals. Always do your own research and consider factors like your location and regulatory changes in 2025. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.